In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pause your Shopify store. This is really useful if you need to take a break from selling, work on a redesign, or step away from your business for a while without losing all the work you've already put into your store. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to switch your store into a pause state using Shopify's pause and build option, while keeping your products and setup intact behind the scenes. First, start by going to your Shopify dashboard. This is your main admin area where you manage orders, products, and settings. Make sure you're logged into the correct store, especially if you manage multiple Shopify stores under the same account. Once you're on the main admin homepage, you're in the right place. Next, look towards the bottom left corner of the dashboard and click on Settings. This is where Shopify keeps all the important controls for your store, including billing, plan details, and account options. We'll be working in here to access the features that allow you to pause your store without fully closing it. Inside the Settings menu, find and click on the option labeled Plan. This section shows you your current subscription, billing information, and all the options related to changing, upgrading, or deactivating your store. Take a moment to confirm you're viewing the correct plan and store name at the top, just so you don't accidentally make changes to the wrong account. From the plan page, look for a button labeled Deactivate Store. Depending on your account type or updates to the Shopify interface, this might be near the bottom of the page. Even though it says Deactivate, don't worry. Clicking it doesn't immediately shut your store down. Instead, it opens a screen with several choices for what you want to do next. After you click Deactivate Store, Shopify will present you with a few different options. You'll typically see choices like starting a new store, fully deactivating, or switching to pause and build. What you want here is the pause and build option. Go ahead and click pause and build. When you choose pause and build, your storefront will no longer accept new orders from customers, but you'll still be able to access your admin dashboard, edit your theme, adjust products, and prepare for your relaunch. Just review any notes Shopify shows about pricing or limitations, then confirm your choice. Once that's done, your Shopify store is successfully paused and ready for you to work on behind the scenes.